Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to solve next questions from revision questions chapter Oxford General Navigation book. So let's start with question number 31. 5 hours, 20 minutes and 20 seconds is equal to time difference. This time difference is equal to which change of longitude? Simple question. Now, we all know that 360-degree change in longitude is equal to 24 hours time. 15-degree change in longitude is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So now we will do cross multiplication. 5 hours, 20 minutes, 20 seconds will be equal to how much change of longitude? That will be equal to 15-degree change in longitude multiplied by 5 hours, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. So let's multiply 15-degree into 5 hours, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. That is equal to 80 degree 5 minutes change in longitude. So the correct option will be option delta, 80 degree 5 minutes. Simple cross multiplication. Next, the main reason that day and night throughout the year have different durations is due to what? So we have different durations of day and night because of different seasons. In summers we have longer days, in winters we have longer nights. So that is due to Earth's rotation, relative speed of the sun along the ecliptic, inclination of eclipse to the equator, gravitational effect of the sun and the moon on the speed of rotation. So correct answer is inclination of the ecliptic, that is the Earth's orbit and the equator, right? So let's say this is your Earth, this is your equator. This equator is inclined at an angle of 23.5 degrees with the eclipse, that is orbit of the earth around the sun. And due to this inclination of the equator with the elliptical orbit, we have sun moving between tropic of Capricorn and tropic of Cancer, giving us different seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay, so correct option is option C. Do watch the video in which I have explained this concept in detail, solar system fundamental, and I have uploaded it in the playlist of Oxford General Navigation. And I also have solved all questions from time chapter. So do watch all those videos and get your concepts clear. Next, Lambert's conformal chart has standard parallels at 63 north and 41 north. What is the convergence factor? So when they talk about convergence factor, they are talking about cos, they are talking about correction, they are talking about sine theta. They are talking about sine theta, where theta equals to parallel of origin latitude. This is your earth, let's say. This is the cone, one latitude is 63 north and the other is 41 north. Now the mean latitude, the latitude between them is your parallel of origin, where the convergency is right. So 63 plus 41 is equal to 104 divided by 2, 52. So parallel of origin will be 52 north. So let's substitute the value here. Sine 52 is equal to 0.788. So correct answer will be convergency factor is 0.788. Next, On a chart, 90.74 kilometer is represented by 7 centimeter. What is the scale? Scale equals to chart distance upon earth distance. So 90.74 kilometer, 7 centimeter divided by 90.74 kilometer. So 7 centimeter as it is. Convert kilometer into corresponding centimeter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1000 meter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So multiply by 100 again. Now your denominator is also in centimeter. So 7 divided by 90.74 into 1000 into 100, that is equal to 9074,000. Now divide numerator and denominator by 7 to eliminate 7 in the numerator. So that is equal to 1296,285 decimal 7. So 1 divided by 1296,285 decimal 7. So the closest option here is option Charlie. 1296, 1296, 285 decimal 7 they have written as 400. That's fine. Next. On a direct Mercator chart, great circles are shown as curves convex to the nearer pole. Convex to the near pole means towards the nearer pole. Towards the nearer pole. So let's say if these are your meridians, Rum line will be a straight line. This is your North Pole. So great circle will bend towards the North Pole and go to your destination. So the inclination is towards the North Pole, nearest pole. If it's Southern Hemisphere, the great circle will pass near it and then go to your destination. Question 36. The scale on a Lambert's conformal chart is correct at a meridian of longitude wrong, a parallel of latitude varies slightly as a function of latitude and longitude, is constant everywhere. That is wrong. So it is constant along a parallel of latitude called parallel of origin. You must remember all the properties of all the charts, simple facts, scoring questions. So remember them. Very important. What is the symbol for a DME station? So there will be 4 diagrams given to you. Out of those 4 diagrams, you have to select that diagram which belongs to DME. So remember all these diagrams. These are relevant to your flying. VOR is represented like this. VOR, DME, combination of this and this. Tactical air navigation and VOR and tactical air navigation. Okay, so the DME symbol is a square with a central dot. Next, question 39. Heading is given in true, task is given, winds are given, and variation is given. What is your magnetic track? So let's first find true track from CX3 and then convert that true track into magnetic track using variation. So heading is 156. Go to wind correction option, wind correction. So 156 320. Winds 13045. True course is 1602. Variation is 10 degree west. Variation west, magnetic west, meaning magnetic more than true. So magnetic will be 160 plus 10, 170. So correct option will be option alpha. Next. Last, you are heading 345 magnetic. Variation is east and you take a radar bearing 30 degree left of your aircraft nose. That means relative bearing is minus 30 or plus 330. What bearing do you plot from the island? That means they are talking about QDR or QTE. So since heading is in magnetic, we will find first QDR, that is magnetic bearing from the station or from the island, and then convert that into true bearing from the island using variation. Now to find QDR, we first have to find QDM, which is magnetic bearing from aircraft to that island. That is equal to relative bearing plus magnetic heading. Relative bearing is minus 30, magnetic heading is 345. So 345 minus 30 is 315. So QDR will be reciprocal of QDM, which will be 135. So QTE, true bearing from the island, will be QDR, which is magnetic. Now variation is 20 degree east. Variation east means magnetic will be least. If magnetic is least, true will be more than magnetic. So QTE will be QDR variation plus variation. So 135 plus 20, 155. So correct answer will be 155, true. Simple. With this, we come to the end of this lecture. I hope you have understood all the questions ranging from 31 to 40 I have done. Keep practicing, more and more practice, more confidence, more comfortable you get, the concepts gets revised, cleared. If you have any questions, doubts, let me know in the comment box of this video lecture, I'll answer to them. I request you all to subscribe to this channel, share this video and like this video lecture. All the best.